Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with another topic. This topic is car insurance. Almost all states require car insurance, making it illegal to drive without coverage. Your state and moderate with type of other coverage and minimum amount you have to buy, and but it varies in more than is required minimum to avoid being and unsure in major accident, and especially if you are fit and flawed and health. That type of car insurance you can buy to pay an injuries in property damage in accident in liability coverage. This coverage pay other in their injuries in property damage. If you are case in an accident, it also pay to you in legal defense in any settlement and judgment if sure that because it's accident to be in policy limit. In car insurance, if you are new, must subscribe my YouTube channel. More videos and more update. And almost in state require car insurance, making it illegal require without coverage. Your state moderate with the type of coverage in a minimum amount you have to it buy. It is this wise to buy to it and more than its required minimum to avoid being in under and uninsured. That is major accident, especially if you are at a fault and you are the type of car insurance you may be to can buy and pay to in injuries for injuries in property damage after an accident. Liability coverage, this is coverage pay in our there are injuries in property damage to it. If you case in accident, it also pay to your legal defense in the settlement in judgment if you are the secure and of you is accident of your policies. And liability and injuries, property damage and accident liability coverage. This coverage pay and other their injuries in a property damage in your if you are case in other in that is one to most important also pay to your legal defense any settlement and judgment if you are short because of accident in up to policy limit. And through the buying and minimum coverage that required to other is your state and can to tempting the good rule to tempt in buy in through liability insurance to coverage that what you stand a loss in lawsuits in that bloody injury claims and nationally average in $20,000 per claim, according to a pigeon is spokespersons in for the nationalized leaks in solution. If you don't have enough liability coverage, you could to face in judgment and possible wage and agreement and pay to what the insurance does not cover. Through the buying coverage requires your state and can tempting good enough liability insurance in other in coverage you handstand loss is lawsuit in bodily injury claim in other in coverage around $20,000 per claim and other that in scrap that risk solution if you don't have to enough. That is most important coverage in judgment prosperity in grant that one in what your insurance does not cover and comprehensive and collision coverage. These coverage work together to it for pay damage your vehicle. Comprehensive insurance for theft in damage your vehicle from hail and flood pelting up in three blocking animal collisions like hitting deer collision insurance pay to damage and your vehicle from hitting object like a pool in building one of in fear in flat. In this comprehensive in collision coverage, these coverage work together to pay off your damage your vehicle and comprehensive insurance coverage theft in damage to your vehicle from fear, hail, flood, and falling objects like tree and branches in an animal and collision like hitting in a deer and collision insurance pay for the damage was true in your vehicle from hitting an object like a pole, a building, and one if you water in a flat. Keep sporting, keep watching, must subscribe my YouTube channel if you are new. More videos and more update. Take care. Allah Hafiz.